A new trend was adopted by the Modi fascist regime on 5th of August 2019 when it abrogated Article 370 and 35A, a crime committed against humanity, against the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and made all of us stateless, muted, choked forever, and snatched every birthright of Kashmiris to exist. It was a crime against humanity, a genocide committed against us before we had the highest occupational forces in the world over there, the Indian forces. And now we have the Indian public thronging there, snatching our rights to live, property rights, job rights, economic rights, political rights, social, religious rights. Every right has been snatched from us and given to the Indians. 50 lakh Indians have domiciles right now, which is illegal. And all these unethical, undemocratic, unconstitutional, irrational, unilateral, illegitimate decisions taken by India are a complete violation of the UN resolutions, of Geneva Conventions, of international law, international humanitarian law, all bilateral treaties. This is genocide. We have to stop it. And they want to hang my husband, who's the top leader of the Kashmir resistance movement. They have already killed thousands and thousands of innocent Kashmiris. They have killed Gilani Saab. They have killed Ashraf Sehrai Saab. Every Kashmiri for them is a threat, especially the leadership. So we need to raise a voice, not just to save the Kashmiris from the Indian might, but also to give them that platform of justice, not just to speak up against the Indian tyranny, but also to hold them accountable, especially the fascist Modi regime.